Bellwork 10B. Question number 3. For question number 3, the easiest variable to solve for is the top x. The bottom x has a coefficient of -2, bottom y has a coefficient of -8, top y has a coefficient of 4. The top x is the only one that has a coefficient of +1. So I want to solve for that top x, which means I need to take the 4y to the other side of the equation. Since it's +4y, I subtract 4y from both sides. They would cancel. Bring down the x equals, these are not like terms, so I bring down the -4y and I bring down the +8. And now, since I solved for the top x, I'm going to substitute that expression in for the bottom x. Solve for the top x, substitute into the bottom x. And it would look like this. -8y minus 2 times the quantity -4y plus 8. Again, that's what we solve for. Equals -16. All right, so the first step is going to be the distributive property. I'm going to take this outside -2 and multiply it times each inside term. So I'm going to take -2 times -4y, then -2 times 8. Bring down the -8y. -2 times -4y would give me +8y. -2 times +8 would give me -16. And I set that equal to -16. Next step, combine like terms. That is all the farther I'm helping you on this one, but I will tell you, if you recognize there, the -8 and the +8 will cancel. So this is either going to be a no solution or infinitely many solutions. You need to finish the problem on your own. Number 4. The easiest variable to solve for is the top x. So I need to get rid of this +8y by subtracting 8y from both sides. Cancel the 8y's. Bring down the x equals, again, these are not like terms, so I cannot combine them. So I bring down the -8y and bring down the coefficient of +3. And now I'm going to substitute that. I solved for the top x, I substituted in for the bottom x. All right, so that would look like this. Again, what's typed in red would be what we solved for on the left side. So 4 times the quantity, -8y plus 3. And then we got -2y, or sorry, -2y equals -22. First step is the distributive property. So 4 times -8 would give me -32y. 4 times 3 would give me +12. Bring down the -2y. Keep the equal sign signed up. Bring down the -22. And now we combine like terms. So that is all the farther I'm going to go there. So you will continue to solve that problem. Notice that the variable terms will not cancel. If the variable terms will not cancel, that means we're going to have to use this equation right here to find the second variable. In other words, that what I just highlighted, I write that over here. So what I just highlighted gets written on the end, because after I solve for y here, I'm going to plug that in for the y over here, and then I'll solve for x. When you're all done, you'll have a final answer of x equals a number, y equals a number. All right. Make sure you have everything written for questions 3 and 4. Again, you're on your own to finish these. They're not difficult. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. And don't be afraid to go back and watch other videos also. Again, if you have any questions, let me know.